You could be using olive oil every single day, thinking you're protecting your heart, your brain, and your joints. But what if I told you that one common olive oil mistake quietly cancels all of its health benefits? Not half of them, not some of them, all of them. And the shocking part is this: most doctors never warn you about it. Most cooking shows ignore it, and most people over 45 make this mistake without realizing it. If you use olive oil the wrong way, it can stop helping your body, and in some cases, it can actually work against your health. Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, this one small detail could completely change how you use olive oil for the rest of your life. Olive oil is often called liquid gold. It's linked to better heart health, a sharper brain, less inflammation, and longer life in Mediterranean cultures. So it's no surprise that millions of people switch to olive oil, hoping to feel healthier as they age. But here's what almost no one tells you. Olive oil is extremely sensitive. One wrong habit, just one, can destroy the very compounds that make it healthy in the first place. And once that happens, you're not getting protection anymore. You're just consuming fat with a health label attached. For adults over 45, this mistake matters even more, because at this stage of life, inflammation rises, heart disease risk increases, brain health becomes critical. So how you use olive oil is just as important as using it at all. Today, I'll reveal the one olive oil mistake that cancels its benefits, why it happens, and how to fix it with a simple change you can start today. No complicated diets, no expensive supplements, just smarter habits that help your body age better. If you care about your heart, your brain, and your long-term health, this is something you need to hear. One of the biggest and most damaging olive oil mistakes is using it at high cooking temperatures. This single habit silently destroys the very nutrients people use olive oil for in the first place. Extra virgin olive oil is rich in powerful compounds called polyphenols and antioxidants. These are what protect your heart, reduce inflammation, and support brain health as you age. But these compounds are fragile. When olive oil is exposed to high heat, especially frying or deep sautéing, they begin to break down rapidly. Once this happens, olive oil loses its protective effect. In fact, overheated oil can form oxidation byproducts that may increase inflammation instead of reducing it. For adults over 45, this matters greatly because inflammation is already rising naturally with age. Many people assume olive oil is safe for all cooking just because it's healthy. But health doesn't mean heat-proof. Extra virgin olive oil has a lower smoke point compared to refined oils. When it smokes, it's not just burning, it's chemically changing. This doesn't mean you should stop using olive oil. It means you should use it correctly. Olive oil works best when used for low to medium heat cooking, added after cooking, not before, drizzled over vegetables, soups, or grains, used in salad dressings and dips. Mediterranean cultures, often cited for their longevity, rarely use olive oil for deep frying. They use it gently, respectfully, preserving its benefits. If you regularly heat olive oil too high, you may believe you're supporting your heart and brain, while in reality, you're getting none of the protection you expect. The fix is simple. Lower the heat. Use olive oil as a finishing oil, not a frying oil. That one change alone can restore the health benefits you thought you were already getting. Another major olive oil mistake happens before cooking even begins: buying the wrong type. Not all olive oils are created equal, and this is where many people unknowingly lose the benefits. Only extra virgin olive oil contains the full spectrum of heart-healthy polyphenols, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds. Refined olive oils are processed using heat and chemicals, which strip away most of these nutrients. The problem is marketing. Bottles labeled pure olive oil, light olive oil, or simply olive oil often sound healthy, but they are nutritionally weak. Some are blended with refined oils that offer calories without protection. For seniors, this matters deeply. Heart disease, cognitive decline, and joint inflammation don't respond to empty calories. They respond to bioactive compounds, which only extra virgin olive oil provides. High-quality extra virgin olive oil should have a slightly bitter or peppery taste, be labeled clearly as extra virgin, be cold-pressed, come in dark bottles. If olive oil tastes completely neutral, it's often a sign that the protective compounds are already gone. In Mediterranean studies, the benefits linked to longevity and heart health were seen specifically with extra virgin olive oil, not refined versions. Using the wrong olive oil is like taking a vitamin with all the nutrients removed. You're following the habit, but missing the benefit. Switching to true extra virgin olive oil doesn't require more effort, just better awareness. And that awareness can mean the difference between oil that supports aging and oil that simply fills calories. Even the best olive oil can lose its benefits if it's stored the wrong way. Olive oil is extremely sensitive to light, heat, and air. When exposed to these elements, it begins to oxidize, a process that destroys antioxidants and creates harmful compounds. Many people unknowingly store olive oil near the stove, on open countertops, in clear glass bottles. Each of these choices slowly degrades the oil. Oxidized olive oil doesn't protect the heart or brain. In fact, it may increase oxidative stress, something seniors already struggle with as the body's natural defenses weaken with age. Think of olive oil like fresh fruit juice. It's alive with nutrients, but only when protected. Proper storage makes a powerful difference. Keep olive oil in a dark bottle. Store it in a cool, dry place. Always close the lid tightly. Avoid long exposure to air. Many health studies assume olive oil is fresh and properly stored, but when oil sits exposed for months, those study-based benefits simply don't apply anymore. If olive oil smells stale, waxy, or flat, it's a sign oxidation has already occurred. Using degraded olive oil is another silent way people cancel olive oil's health effects without ever realizing it. Protect the oil, and it will protect you. Olive oil is healthy, but more is not better.
This is one of the most misunderstood parts of nutrition, especially for adults over 45. Olive oil is calorie dense. Just 1 tablespoon contains about 120 calories. When used excessively, even healthy oil can quietly contribute to weight gain, insulin resistance, and metabolic stress. Extra weight increases inflammation, strains joints, raises blood pressure, and impacts heart health, exactly the problems people turn to olive oil to prevent. In Mediterranean diets, olive oil is used moderately, not excessively. It replaces unhealthy fats. It doesn't drown food in oil. For most adults, 1 to 2 tablespoons per day is enough to receive the benefits without the risks. More than that doesn't increase antioxidants, it increases calories. Health comes from balance, not extremes. Using olive oil wisely means measuring instead of pouring freely, using it to replace butter or margarine, pairing it with fiber-rich foods. When olive oil supports a balanced diet, it helps aging gracefully. When overused, it quietly undermines progress. The final mistake is the most overlooked, believing olive oil can cancel unhealthy food choices. Pouring olive oil on fried foods, processed meals, or refined carbohydrates does not make them healthy. Olive oil works with healthy foods, not against unhealthy ones. Its antioxidants support vegetables, legumes, fish, and whole grains. They reduce inflammation triggered by natural foods, not damage caused by sugar, trans fats, or ultra-processed meals. For seniors, this mistake is critical. Inflammation from poor food choices overwhelms the protective effect of olive oil. Think of olive oil as a helper, not a healer. Used with vegetables, beans, fish, whole grains, it amplifies health. Used on fried foods, processed snacks, and sugary meals, it becomes meaningless. True benefit comes from the combination, not the oil alone. So here's the truth. Olive oil isn't the problem, the mistake is how most people use it. When used the right way, olive oil can calm inflammation, protect your heart, support your brain, and help your body age more gracefully. But when used the wrong way, its benefits quietly disappear, and most people never realize why they're not seeing results. Health after 45 isn't about extreme diets or miracle cures, it's about small, smart changes that add up over time. And sometimes, fixing just one daily habit makes all the difference. Tonight, take a look at how you use olive oil, because that small change could protect your health for years to come. If this video helped you understand olive oil in a new way, give it a like. It helps this message reach more people who need it. Subscribe to the channel for simple, science-backed health tips made especially for adults over 45. No hype, no confusion, just practical guidance you can trust. And tell me in the comments, how do you usually use olive oil? Cooking, drizzling, or both? I read every comment, and your question could inspire the next video. Share this video with someone who uses olive oil every day, because this is one mistake too important to ignore. I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay informed, and take care.